up after it. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh shit. Oh, keep your rod up, keep it up, keep it up. Move your one hand up higher. Yeah, there you go. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Dude, Jason, that's the fuck, man, right?
Oh, this one's nice.
I think your cast is like 6 inches to the bottom. Nice. So sick. Let's get to all these fingerlings when we start taking a video. Major trick that I learned today is that once he's done, give him another couple tips. Yeah.
Let's see it, dude.
Sick!
Yes. That was freaking awesome.
Is that sick?
Yeah. So sick, dude.
We're just standing there, you know?
Get a close up on this fly, dude. Whoa.
My first time like bass fishing, fly fishing deal. I thought, hey, that looks like a shad.
That thing's sick, dude. Nice.